Standard 10th, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.1, 6th question. Let A is equal to x belongs to W such that x is less than 2. B is equal to x belongs to N such that 1 is less than x less than or equal to 4. C is equal to 3, 5. Verify that second subdivision, this is A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So this is given in set builder format. We will have to write as set first. So A is equal to whole numbers up to 2. Not 2 is not included. So you have to write 0 and 1. If this line is there, that is underneath line is there, then that number is included, children. That is x is less than or equal to 2. Then that line will be there. So then that time you will have to write it 2. Otherwise 2 should not be there because less than only it is given. Okay, so 0, 1. Same way B is equal to, starts from natural number, but the condition is, again you can see underneath line is not there. So it is 1 is less than x only it is given. So 1 should not come. So we will start from 2, 3, and you can see here it is less than or equal to. So 4 you will have to include with that. Okay, so 2, 3, 4 will be there. Then C is equal to 3, 5. So now your left hand side is, first step is B intersection C, we will find it. Then A cross B intersection C. So we will go to B intersection C. So B intersection C is, write your B first. So 2, 3, 4 intersection 3, 5. That is your C. Now intersection is writing only the common terms. Just see common terms. Here it is common elements. Check what are the elements are there. So 3 is repeated. Nothing else is repeated. So you can write only 3 for B intersection C. Now going to A cross B intersection C. So A is nothing but 0, 1 cross your B intersection C is what we have got the answer, that is 3. Now writing your ordered pair, your first element in A joining with this 3. So 0, 3. Then the second element in A joining with this 3. So 1, 3. So with this our left hand side is over. So we'll just mark it as 1. Now going to your right hand side. Your first step will be A cross B, second is A cross C. So first is A cross B, we have to find it. So A cross B is, write your A, 0, 1, B is 2, 3, 4. Now your cross product, writing your ordered pair. Your first element in A joining with these 3 elements. So it is 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Then the second element in A joining with these 3 elements. So it is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Now close your bracket. Now next one is A cross C, you will have to find it. So A is nothing but 0, 1. Cross C is 3, 5. Again getting back to your ordered pairs. So first element in A joining with this 3, 5. So 0, 3, 0, 5. Then 1, the second element in A joining with C. So 1, 3, 1, 5. Close your bracket. We have got A cross B and A cross C. We will have to go to intersection. Okay, so it is A cross B intersection A cross C. So intersection is common terms. Here it will be common order pairs. Okay. So just check what are they. 0, 3, 0, 3 it is there. Then nothing else will be there. So 1, 3 and 1, 3 it is repeated. So 0, 3 and 1, 3. Write it in your set bracket. So this is your second subdivision, second part answer. That is your right answer. Now from 1 and 2 check whether 1 and 2 are same. So 0, 3, 0, 3 will be there, 1, 3, 1, 3. So it is same. From that you can write it as, from 1 and 2, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So with this your sixth question, second subdivision is done. Verify that your third subdivision A union B cross C is equal to A cross C union B cross C. So first we will write a A. So A is equal to, they have started with whole numbers. So whole number starting with 0, 1, 2 should not be included as I told you in the before sum, because underneath line is not there. If line is there, then you will have to include, because less than or equal to. If equal to is there, that number is included. So that number is not included. Then your b is equal to, they have started with natural number. Natural number starts with 1. But here according to the condition it is not included, because only less than part is given, equal to part is not there. So 1 should not be there. So we will start from 2, 3 and 4. Here it is x is less than or equal to 4. So equal to symbol is there. So you can write 4 is included. Okay. Then c is equal to 3, 5. Now taking your left hand side, your first step should be A union B, then cross C we will have to find. So first we will find A union B. So A union B is what you have to write. Write your A union B. 2, 3, 4. Now union is nothing but you will have to write all the terms. What all terms are there in A and B, that is the elements in A and B, you can write it. Okay, so it is 0 will be there, 1 will be there, 2 will be there, 3 and 4. So writing all the elements, A union B is over. Now with that you will have to find your cross. So A union B cross C you will have to find it. So A union B is nothing but our answer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the answer? We have got it here for A union B. That answer you will have to write it. Cross C is nothing but 3, 5. Now writing your ordered pair. So your first element in A union B has to be joined with 3, 5. So 0, 3, then 0, 5. Now your second element, that is 1, has to be joined with these two elements. So 1, 3, then 1, 5. Next your third element, that is 2. So 2, 3, 2, 5. Now your fourth element, that is 3. So 3, 3, 3, 5. Your fifth element 4 has to be joined with these two elements. So 4, 3, 4, 5. So we have completed all the elements. So close your set bracket. So that is your A union B cross C. We'll just mark that as first equation. Now going to your right hand side. First step is A cross C, we will have to find it. Second step is B cross C, we will have to find it. Then the union. So first we will go to A cross C. A cross C means what you will have to do, write your A 0, 1. Then cross C is nothing but 3, 5. So now writing your A cross C, the first element in A joining with these two elements. That is 0, 3, then 0, 5. Then the second element in A joining with these two elements. So 1, 3, 1, 5. So we have completed all the elements. Then close your bracket. Now B cross C. So B cross C is equal to, write your B 2, 3, 4. Cross C is nothing but 3, 5. So now writing your cross product. First element 2 joining with these two elements. So 2, 3, 2, 5. 3 has to be joined with these two elements. So 3, 3, 3, 5. 4 has to be joined with these two elements. So 4, 3, 4, 5. We have got A cross C and B cross C. Now we will have to find union. Okay, so it is A cross C union B cross C. So union means you will have to write all the terms from A cross C and B cross C, all the ordered pairs. Okay, so it is, first we will start with 0, 3 is there. So just write 0, 3. Then 0, 5 is there. So write 0, 5. Then 1, 3 is there. So 1, 3. Then 1, 5. Now write all these elements here. So, okay, so it is 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. So check now your, let me declare this as 2. Check your first and second children. That is your first one and second one. That is your left hand side and your right hand side. So Both will be equal. 0, 3, 0, 3 is there. Then 0, 5, 0, 5 is there. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 5. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. So all the ordered pairs are equal. So we can write it as from 1 and 2. A union B cross C is equal to A cross C union B cross C. So we have proved it for 1 and 2. Therefore, this is the answer for your 6th question, third subdivision.